Okay. Let me get a little organized here. I need a new arc window. Yeah, great. We'll bump this over here, do that. And we'll just go to GitHub to start. Minimize that. Okay. What up, Purplish? I need to edit the stream title for now. Let's just go this in notes. And we are working on the TypeScript never throw. Working on, oh, how do I word the title here? Working on TypeScript, open source, library, never throw. I always forget what my emoji key is, like every day. That's not what we wanted. I'll just use the rocket ship. All right, there we go. All right, so we're gonna work a little bit on some never throw issues this morning. There's a particular one I want to get merged for some code of Vercel, which is basically, let me pull up the GitHub issues to show you what we're gonna work on. Actually, I have to send one message real quick. How do I fucking reply to this? Working on this morning. Spent some time on it last night. Hoping to get at least a draft PR up this. Okay. So we are working on where's the issue? Open in home. Why would that? Right here. So Matt Pocock opened this issue for adding the feature to never throw, where when you're using the safe try generator API, currently you have to call this .safe unwrap. And we want to get to a place where you can just yield star on a normal result. So it almost works like effect. And I made some good progress last night on this, but then I realized that I was on a very old version of master. So what we're going to do is grab the tests I wrote and go back to the head of master on origin and go from there. So let's grab the tests. I have them in here. Yep, this entire block. We'll yoink that. I'm just gonna shove this in an Apple Notes real quick. And we're gonna drop that there, and then I want to yoink. We don't need that because I know how to do that. Okay, yeah. So let's check out master, and let's just do a pool. Good, and then we're going to, let me look at my branches because I have some branches that aren't. Yeah, git branch. All of these are based off of stale branches. And we're gonna check out that same we'll do that. And we're going to run a bun install. Good. I'm going to go check the repo real quick to see where we're at on some of this stuff. Okay. I might try to bump TypeScript for this too, depending on how this goes. We'll see. Did I read what? Kraut. What up? Disgruntled. Learning JavaScript and visualization this semester. TypeScript error coming. Oh boy. I want to listen to some Russ. All right, so let's dump in our new tests. So let's come down here and we're going to add that test block. /user. Do I have to use the @ symbol? I don't know what I'm looking at, Kraut. From an hour ago? Okay. All right, Kraut, if you want to write me a file with that in it and just like send it to me on Discord or a DM on here or something, I'll get that pasted. And when that happens, I'll pull it up. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so we want to get these tests passing. So let's take this and we're gonna just comment up. What the hell? That was weird. We'll comment up to the why is this still going up? There we go. We want to, we'll start here with this simple test. So right now we have a type error, right? So we have to go implement a generator symbol on our OK variant. So let's go here and we're going to say class OK, and in here we'll come down to the bottom and we will add star symbol dot iterator, and that is a function, and that's going to return a generator. If I could type generator, the T is what the final or what the yielded value is on each iteration. So that would return our error of never E, and then it needs to do, the final value needs to be a T. And we're gonna come in here, we basically just, in the OK case, we just return this dot value. And we should see, yeah, we just saw that type error go away on the right. We do that, we get it back now. We're like, hey dog, this, whoops. What? I don't know how that works. But this is saying, OK string must have a symbol generator method that returns an iterator. So right now, this is just like, I have no idea what you're talking about. We implement the iterator function, and now we get our string out. As we can see, this returns string. So that looks good type-wise. In fact, I'd be interested to see if the tests even pass with that. All right, so we have a failure. Result.OK is comparable. So let's go debug that up front. Let's see here. That test is in. Let's go ahead and close this. Actually, there we go. Switch. I want to like rotate panes. Set the even horizontal layout. Rotate through the panes in reverse. I don't know what the right command would be. Whatever, we're just gonna kill that and then do that. And then we'll close that and we'll drag this over and we'll run our tests. And we'll do bun run test, and then we'll do test slash index dash dash watch. And we're gonna get, that's weird that whatever, that's okay. So let's go to our tests. What up? It already has it, but it has you have to call safe unwrap to get to the generator, and I'm working on removing that function. Bun. That didn't even put me in watch mode, but that's okay. So we're failing on the test that is comparable. Expected not 43, received 42. That's confusing. We're gonna do bun run jest dash dash. We'll do test slash index.test and then do watch. That should work. Yeah. Now this should fail, right? Now that's weird, right? Why is that happening? So it seems like implementing that generator is somehow impacting how it's compared. Let's see if, just to make sure. All right, let me grab that. Copy. We'll go over here and we'll do temp. And we'll do, what are we putting in here? I don't even know what to call this. Important. .ts. Do that. Paste that in. And we'll add this to Harpoon so I can get to it quick. Okay. Got that. Oh yeah, I'll rename it to Lambo. All right, there we go. All right, so it does look like, for whatever reason, implementing symbol iterator is breaking, is comparable, which I don't know how is comparable works under the covers, or why a symbol iterator would impact that. So let's go ahead and do some digging here to see if there is like some sort of equality methods on here. I don't really see anything. Maybe they brought this up on the issue. Tech support, do you know why this would happen? Are you super familiar with TypeScript or JavaScript, I should say? Let's go ahead and pull up the thread. Okay. They bring it up. I wonder if I just straight up, let's test something else. So if we go back here and we did, so is this passing right now? Why is this? There we go. Why is it, that's not running indocs.test? That's not in this file. So weird. We'll rename this to foo. See if I can target that better that way. fun run jest dash dash watch dash dash foo.test.ts. Like, I don't understand why it's picking up all the tests. Like, I just wanted to run this file. Is there something stupid in package.json? If I just do npm run jest, and I should be able to just point this at index.test.ts. There we go. Now I got it. Okay. That was stupid. All right. All right, so this is failing, which is good. So that should pass now. That should pass now. And if we go back to our actual implementation, we go to result, and we add this back in, it's gonna make it fail. Actually, the one other thing I wanna try before we do this is we go here, and if I do return safe try, and we do a function star that, bump that down, bump these up, do that, and we'll say const first equals yield star okay 42 dot safe unwrap, and then we do const second equals yield star okay 42 dot safe unwrap, and then we do a in here expect first to equal second, and we'll just say return okay true. Safe unwrap. That's really dumb. Yeah, I saw that, Ryan. That's gonna be a pain in my ass at work. Okay, so that all works. So it seems like putting the equal on so the minute we do this, it's just like it fails. Why is it trying to run foo.test? I got rid of foo.test. Why is it trying to run foo.test? What up, Matt? I agree. Ryan. Thank you for the follow, Nathaniel. Something got cached somewhere when I renamed that, which is incredibly annoying. Fun run build. Foo. It's not even there. And we didn't put foo anywhere in the package JSON, did we? Search graph for foo. That's fine. Okay. Does just have some stupid caching in here? We're just going to nuke node modules because I'm willing to bet that some stupid freaking caching is going on. That's not what we wanted. We want bun run jest. How? How? Where are you looking for foo? So stupid. Okay. There we go. So dumb. JavaScript dev tooling is like just remarkably good, everyone. I just like can't believe how amazing and good it is. And how useful and intuitive and how it does the right thing by default and how fast it is. God, it's so good. All right, so let's comment this out and we'll get back to the original test here. We'll yank that, put that there, uncomment these, and this is gonna fail, which is super weird. Okay, fine. Is comparable. What does is equal do under the covers? Does anyone know? We might have to go look at, Actually, let's go look at the release notes for version 8. Let's go look at these. I want to just look at the commits. Hey, I know that face. This control, to be fair, is a country-based field. Both countries don't use it. It's a real reminder as to where our domains actually come from. Yep. Yep. What up, Costa? Today is not true at the moment. We are doing better than we were about 5 minutes ago. We just fought some JavaScript dev tooling, and I'm trying to figure out what just.isEqual does under the covers. I actually want to go, let's look at the git blame for that file. Okay, so that's like been there forever. All right, so what is this doing under the covers that this is super weird? Used when you want to check that two objects have the same value. This matcher recursively checks the equality of all fields rather than checking for object identity. Optionally, you can provide a type for the expected value via generic. This is partially for... All right, let's see if there's any issues that we can find on Google. Let's just go ahead, or not on Google, but we'll do symbol.iterator equality JavaScript. Let's throw jest in. All right, so we got some reading material here. React harder, please. All right, here is actually, this is exactly what we're looking for right here. Iterable equality within objects. Oh, come on. Let's see what this says. Iterable equality. Okay, so we'll just do that, I suppose. I mean, maybe we can just switch it to B. Checks that. I don't know if that will work. Let's see. Nope, that's still wrong. Oh, also I'm commenting out the wrong test. Here we go. That's good. How are we receiving? That's weird, right? We're receiving 42 twice. First, okay, 42. And then second is going to be okay, 43. Dot log. Second. That's very bizarre, right? Const first equals okay 42. Const second is going to be okay of 43. And we can say in here to equal first. Yeah, okay. Good morning, Mr. Wizard. And if we come in here now and we say not to equal I don't understand what's happening here. Okay, so I have an idea here. We're gonna use that API that we found on that thread. So let's get rid of this. Let's just walk this whole test backwards here. Actually, this is it here. So we yoink that, paste that in there, uncomment that, and then uncomment that. And we're gonna say to iterable, what was it? Where did we get that test from? Expect iterable equality. Okay. So we come in here and we say expect iterable equality. Oh my god. Is this in jest? Is this not exposed? Expect utils. Where does that even come from? Do I need to bump the version of jest? What version is this? Remind me later. Let's write a programming language that got a cracked idea. I would love to. So when I add, so what's happening right now is when I add this symbol iterator, so when I add this right here to the OK class, it suddenly starts failing. I don't know why it's trying to run save test. Index.test.ts. I don't know why save try is trying to run my other test, so let's just like, I hate JavaScript tooling. It's doing some stupid caching. Where is foo coming from? Oh my god, I'm gonna lose my mind. So stupid. This is so dumb, chat. This is the dumbest. There we go. So right now it's passing. And if we add this back in, it's gonna fail. And it fails on not this. And then we found this GitHub. We had that GitHub issue where it talks about adding this like iterable equality utility. I want to go to this issue, but I can't even click it. Fix iterable equality. So like we should be able to get from jest, like import, this is our test here, import iterable equality from jest slash can I not get the, God, I hate jest so much. Maybe I rebase on top of test just to get this through. Did that get merged actually? Or is that still an open pull request? I know Matt Pocock added test somewhere. Let me go to issues. vi-test. Well, there's probably an issue. So let's install that. So let's do npm show npm I -d at jest/test utils. Okay, we got that. That's probably going to be a huge part of our problem. So let's, this is our test. Is this okay? Yeah. So now we should be able to do iterable quality and passing okay 42 okay 42 import iterable equality from @jest utils slash so I guess we have to install types for that. npm I-d at types slash jest iterable equality. What version of Jest are we on here? I'm about to just do what bun or yeah, let's just go look at npm, the freaking most recent version of Jest. We're on 29.7, and what is the version in here? .7.0, and then we're gonna have to bump up TS Jest. There's a PR somewhere. If someone wants to go look at Neverthrow, Matt Pocock has a branch or a PR that adds vi-test that we're planning on merging. And if someone can go find that, we'll just rebase on top of that and then get that in first. So if anyone could find that, I would be super appreciative. .2.5. Jest is going to be changing this. It's going to be 29.7.2. Do the same thing here. Do the same thing in here. I'm assuming that's right. Let's see here. Yes. Cook at and Shaka. Can we get test/CI passing and get this in?
Hey, delivery. Well, yeah, and actually.
Git rebase map pocock. Let's see how this goes. Actually, before I do that, let's see if we can get this working. Because that's just more boilerplate and it's going to be more process to get it actually merged.
He's been doing this thing where he's going after his butt. I think he's a little bit worried of...
One sec, chat. I'm going to mute my mic quick. right, chat, I'm back. I'm also a bit lost with this code, but we're gonna struggle through it together. So Matt Pocock, so we see this maximum call stack. He gave a tip where if we assign this to self, it kind of resolves this issue. So if we were to yield self now, just say as any. And we'll just do a @ts expect error for now. Okay. We at least have the test passes. Then the other person on the thread mentioned to try this. All right. So let's go look at the test now. The test that's failing is comparable for the error variant. Is comparable. Okay, do either of these pass? Okay, so it's just this first one. And the error, we should be able to do equal. Okay, that's fixed. All right, so we just had to use that to get the iterable equality under the covers, which is fine. So everything's working with our implementation of the iterator. So now let's go to our safe try test, and we want to start uncommenting some of this. Let's go back here, and we're gonna go and make sure we don't have any regressions at the moment for safe try. We'll do that. No regressions, which is great. We're gonna skip these blocks. In fact, we can do just an only on this one, not that one. Here, dot only, and it looks like this is actually passing. This is running. So we can now yield. Before, what we're doing with this PR, for anyone that's new here, is we're trying to remove the need to call dot safe unwrap, so you can just yield any result. And you can see that's working. So now let's just keep going through these tests. That looks good. Okay. Let's go here and uncomment those. All right. Yeah, or else. We'll get rid of that. There's a bug with or else. Oh my lord. I really don't care. All right, so that passes. And now we're gonna come down here and we're gonna do this. That passes. Now the question is, can we handle async results? Which means we need to come uncomment these. Oh, look a boy.
So, okay. Do you need another coffee or anything?
Yes, please. Yeah, maybe we don't need, well, it satisfies the type by adding the return kraut. I don't know why. Okay, so we need to go implement async iterator on our result async type. So in here, we are going to come down here and we're going to do something super similar to what we did in the last one. And we're going to add async star symbol dot iterator, async iterator, and this is going to effectively return the same type up here, right? Yank to there, and do that, and paste that there. We can probably copy the implementation. I want to get rid of safe unwrap because I want to deprecate it, but okay, that worked. Let's go try to remove unwrap from the implementation. So we can get result by doing await this dot promise. And this should now be a result, right? Yep, result. And we should say if result dot is error, we're going to return, we're going to yield result, right? Actually, we want to do async error result dot error, or error async, is that what it is? Yeah. Is it star? Otherwise, we return result dot value. Can I return here? Value as awaited t. Okay, so that passes. All right, let's go back to our tests. Gus, come here, buddy. Come here. Gus, come. Right here. Come here, buddy. It's okay. Come here. Or you can stay back there. It's okay too. Okay. So let's keep going through our tests here. This seems like we have a pretty good implementation. And let's keep uncommenting these tests out. What, is there a ball under there that you want? All right, that passed. And we don't have any type errors, which is good. So our last test is this. I don't know why that's not resolving, but let me help this dog out. What are you looking for under here, bud? There's literally nothing under there, dude. Come here. Here, Gus. Come here, bud. Come on. Out from back there. Come on. Out. No. Come on. You're okay. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Yeah, you're okay. Okay, you want to lay at my feet? That's okay too. All right. Homie's laying at my feet, pressed against my legs. We hit a stack trace. We ran out of memory. I wonder what is promise good doing under the covers. It would be weird that add memory. Hey Gus, leave it, buddy. Leave it. One second, chat. He seems to be chilling. So I wonder where that... It's weird that this just started happening because we had it working for a moment. Promise bad. Let's just get rid of watch for a second. All right, so that all passed. We have type errors because we need promise good. And I guess we need async bad. So we're definitely hanging. Something with these two. Yeah. This should be a result, yeah. So let's just try returning out the value. Result string is not assignable to, we'll do okay async. Result number string is not, shouldn't that return? Oh, because we need to flatten it. There we go. Does that help at all? Or are we still gonna get, okay. Async may fail too. Yeah, that makes sense that would not work, right? So prom is good, and then we're gonna map error here. And we can do actually we can just copy this, right? Yoink. Paste that in there. And then we'll have, let's rename this to good result. Trying to figure out where we got caught. Okay. Do we have a cone that would fit him?
No, why? Because he keeps going after his butt.
What about the inflatable one you used for Baxter?
Baxter destroyed it, remember?
It's no longer in existence.
Yeah, Baxter ate that. Why is he going after his butt like crazy?
Yeah.
I can ask them if they have one, because their door is just a code to get in.
Sure, it might help. It might help it heal too, because I'm sure he's agitating.
Yeah, oh yeah, I'm sure.
Or maybe I have to run out to, let me look at my calendar quick. I'm not gonna have my calendar on this computer.
I have a dermatology appointment that I leave for.
I have to run to UPS today. I just don't know when I'm gonna do it. What?
Do you want me to run
Do you
to
see
the
this?
UPS?
I need
notary.
notary.
Oh, 'cause you need a notary. Never mind.
I will probably do it possibly when I'm done streaming here. So I can go pick up a cone if there's a pet store nearby.
I'll have my car.
I can take my mom's.
Okay.
First, check with them first if they have one. So,
Okay.
and then we could just stop at his house and grab it.
Okay.
He was trying to get under the couch earlier.
Oh, is he too chunky?
Probably, yeah.
Oh gosh.
All right, we're back. Congratulations on your moderatorship, Kraut. Const bad result equals await promise bad. And we'll say const error is going to equal yield star bad result dot map error I don't know where my plus key is. Okay, that worked. Something about this it didn't like though. Oh, it did async bad instead of promise. That's what we screwed up. And this returns, okay. We might have to do something similar that we did to break the recursion limit in the normal iterator. I hate the Venable interface. That's gonna make this so much more complicated. So this needs to be Yeah. Okay. Okay. Stop. I get it. And another one. All right, let's try this. See if this works a little bit better. That's not what we wanted. npm. Oh, I guess that is what we wanted, huh? npm run just safe try test. That is what we wanted. Okay, that looks pretty good. This is structurally equivalent and safe. All right, I think we might have got it. Possibly. I think we're gonna have to fix types around or else. But let's go update the rest of these tests. We have one more to uncomment. Okay, they all passed. Now let's go make sure we don't have regressions. Let's go to only, and we'll delete to that. / only. Yeah, okay. Run our test again. Great. Let's run our index test. Make sure we don't have regressions there. Great. Okay. I think we're actually looking pretty good. I think we probably have a type error in this test. Maybe not. I thought we might. Okay, well, we can fix that quick. That is going to be a TS config setting. I thought that should skip lib check. Hold on, let me find. We're gonna be able to open this PR. This is gonna be great. This branch. Did we update? I swear he updated. Skip lib check is true. Oh, that's for the test one. Where does that come from? Type check test. We might have to upgrade our node version. Did I upgrade that? I don't think I did I? $18, $19. That's probably what it should be. Why? I don't want it to check. Oh, there it is. There's a TS config in here. Right, so we'll just come in here and, okay, get rid of the trailing comma, please. And under compiler stuff, we'll do skip lib check is going to be true. And let's go back over here, do the same thing. Great, okay. Let's get this committed. Add, remove, or I don't even know what to call this. We'll name it the same as whatever Matt's PR title was. Yeah, we'll just do that. All right, we got it working, guys. This is awesome. Fuck yeah. And then we want to set the origin. I want to set the origin to my fork of... I'll catch up on chat here in a second. Sorry, I've been like kind of in the zone on this. Never throw. Sync fork. All right, so I'm gonna have to go into how do I want to do this? Can I refork it again? Fork. Never throw. Safe try. Create fork. No. All right, we're gonna have to do some branch cleanup here. This is gonna be really annoying. Clone this. And we're gonna do git clone, paste that there. Git clone that. Changed into never throw. And we're gonna rename this branch to DMM Mulroy / unwrap message. And we're gonna git push that. And we're going to git checkout master. And I need to go look at the pull request that I have open on regular never throw. Author, me. I need to change the branch. Oh, that's so annoying. I can't. Going to close this and reopen with fixes addressed. I made a silly mistake by pushing to my master branch. I want to set this. Do I have upstream? Git remote. Can I do list? Git remote add upstream, and upstream will be the actual repo. So let's grab this, and then we want to I don't remember what the right git command is, but we want to set upstream reset. I don't want to, yes, Y Combinator, I get it. Reset master to upstream master. Git fetch upstream. Yeah. Git reset --s hard upstream / master. Cool. Git push origin master force. Okay. And now we can copy recursively up. Now we're in temp, never throw into here. That's really annoying. Did we get it all? Ooh, I think we did get it all. We nuked the Git folder by accident. Oh no, we're okay, right? Or no, we're not. I overrode the freaking Git folder. That's obnoxious. Damn it. Okay, we can fix this by messing with our origins. In fact, we can probably, I cleaned this up so we can go back to the normal never throw folder. And in here we can change our origins, right? So git remote, let's look at our remotes. We have origin. So let's get those commands back up. And we want to git remote set URL origin to this, and this will be neverthrow.git. Yeah. And then we want to git remote add, git fetch everything. And then we can do a GPU. And now we should see on my Git repo, never throw. Yeah. Right there it is. Symbol iterator. And this has some updates. This all looks good. I should probably run formatting because I think biome nuked formatting. All right, so we have some ESLint issues. So let's go address ESLint. So ESLint's going to be in here, and we'll just, the fuck did this do? Whatever, that's insanely weird formatting. All right, let me catch up on chat here. On chat, boom. Would you join a company that does not have tests in place and they don't expect you to write tests but focus on shipping newer features? Depends on where that company is at in their life cycle. If they're like a very young startup that just got like seed funding and needs to hit like an MVP and product market fit and start making some money, I think that's reasonable. But if it's like a company that's more established and has paying customers and they're relatively successful, then that's kind of a red flag. But yeah, I think it kind of depends. I did not yet kraut for the marker. Yeah, I agree with Wizard's take on a balance in writing tests. How did you go about being a maintainer for Neverthrow? I talked to the creator. Okay. Yeah, I intentionally wanted to reset hard. We're gonna go and we're gonna do LSP start ESLint. Yeah. We're going to disable for this line. And that's TypeScript, and we'll do @ts. We'll do this and we'll go to our result async and we'll go down to our iterator, async iterator. And we're gonna grab this. And same here. What the F just happened? Whatever. That's gonna be I have biomes set up for my formatting. I think that's what happened there. npm run format. There's still one error in result on 385. Yeah, I get it. Deal with it. All right. Git commit that, quit all, git push -- force with lease. Nice. And now it should be fine. Yeah. All right, so let's go open up a pull request. And this should be resolves number what is this? Issues. Number 580. number 580. And then we'll just do a cc at map.pocock at mshaka and super macro. And then we'll grab this, go to the maintainer Discord and share with them. PR is up with no regressions. Oh, is the package lock? LOL. So stupid. Yeah, I don't know. I ran the formatting, so I don't know what you want from me. All right. I guess we can... the other PR we closed was a separate issue, which we're going to fix up right now. I just want to daemon Mulroy / unwrap message. There we go. And I want to rebase this on master. Yeah, I get it. Let's see here. I want to go to index test, and there's going to be some Did I make this? Did I write this heterogeneous list? I don't know what I did here. Let's go. Expected result. Is that what we want? That seems it. I don't know. All right, we'll save that. And that was the only conflict. And let's go ahead and do that. And we'll do a rebase, continue. Quit all. And then we need to do a npm install probably. And we want to add that, and then we need to run the format. Do that. Yep. And then we're going to do a git push force with release. And now we'll reopen that pull request that I just closed. Let's see here. Pull requests closed. And the author, we can just pick me. Add custom message. Yeah. So we'll just take the same. That. And we're going to go to code. And we're going to open this. Paste that in. You son of a bitch. There we go. Create pull request. We're going to have to generate a changelog thing. Okay. There should probably be an npm script for that, if I had to guess. Change set, publish. I guess. Okay, npx change set. This would be a minor. What would we title the name of this PR? It was like, yeah. We're gonna have to do that for the other PR too. So let's go back to our symbol iterator, and we're going to do change set, and this is going to be a minor as well. And the title of that pull request was safe try yoink. Yoink. Why did that not copy? Sorry, I owe a hydrate. Boom. Rigged RNG. Let me go catch up on chat here. Actually, I'm just gonna get this published before I get ADHD nerd sniped. I know who I am as a person, and I have to just keep going before I get to chat. Okay, these pull requests should be good. And I'll tag mshaka on did I not? Super macro, yeah. We'll tag him on the new one. What number was the closed one? 558. Okay. Pull requests. Rebased on to master and added a change set. This is the same work as number. Where is my number? What number did I just say it was? I'm so dumb.
No, you're not.
558.
I just came to check in.
What?
Just came to check in.
Is he still at my feet?
Yeah, I think he's snoozing. I'm gonna get him a donut.
What do you mean a donut?
The inflatable one for around his neck.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get him that. Hopefully that helps him out. But right now he's zonked.
He's doing good.
Good. I'm going to the dermatologist though. I'll stop at PetSmart or Petco or whatever it is that's right over there. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
Hopefully I don't have to get my shoulder cut off like you did.
Yeah, I know. It's so itchy, that scab.
Oh, it looked so gross.
All right. So we've got that. We've got 2 PRs open this morning, which feels really good. Let's go through. I have some other tasks I need to go through on here. 28 minutes ago. Conversation. Okay, mshaka's on it. Goat. Done on that. 5 minutes ago. Yep, that looks good. Done on that. Conversation. We're good on that. Okay, that looks good. That does not matter. Done. All right, let me catch up on chat now. I missed a lot. Thank you for the follow. I am Feek. I'm sure I missed a bunch of people that followed me. Daigosano, Jafar, Boss V, Caffeine Storm, Decover. If y'all are still around, thank you so much. I appreciate y'all. I was in the zone there for a bit. I'm getting the ads in audio form, but I'm just staring at a frozen frame of Dylan. Am I still frozen? I'm assuming I'm good. I feel like other people would be saying stuff. Have I seen Micro? I have seen Micro. I like micro a lot. I haven't used micro yet. When should I expect mod paychecks biweekly? Yeah, you're gonna have to send your social security for your W2 forms. Dylan was locked in on LinkedIn. Are you using Biome.js on NVim? Yes, I am. And I'm hoping this migrates to close that. Refraining from diving into this tour for 569. Okay. I think that this is a positive change at macro and at I always forget their handle, mshaka. Could we adopt this and merge it to unblock number, where were we just at? 570. Block 570. Okay. You're adding micro to something at work. Do you work on a team of people that have you guys used Effect before or things like Effect? Did you have to pitch it and sell it? I'm curious how you got to that point. Okay. Pull requests. Author is Matt Pocock. Pocock. Why can't I just get Matt's name here? There we go. This looks good to me. I think I've reviewed this already. This looks good to me. Shaka. Super. Can we merge this? Hopefully I soon get so never throw is your default addition to any JS or TS project. It depends if I can use Effect or not, and I need to play around with micro to see how it compares. I haven't used micro yet, but I think never throw is a easier upfront sell to introduce teams to the ideas and concepts in Effect. So like I've kind of used at work never throw as a way to introduce similar patterns as Effect and then sell Effect for kind of newer greenfield stuff. It's definitely easier to retrofit into like existing code, but micro might change that, so I don't particularly know. Oh my God. Thank you for calling out that was an hour long. I should probably add some checks on that. Yeah. All right. Currently, the only person in the lead is I have to pitch it to the CDO, and he was fine with it. As far as the tool to reduce our other dependencies. Yeah. I will probably end up adopting micro rather than never throw for most things going forward. But I also enjoy working on never throw and with the people that maintain never throw. And I think the more we can get people to use libraries like never throw, effect, and micro, the better in TypeScript. Matt, could you generate a change set file, please? Pray npx change set. Okay. Matt Pocock. I want to... Okay. All right. We're going to switch back over to my freelance work for the last 30 minutes. And let me check in here. Also reopened my unwrap error message PR and reviewed a few of Matt Pocock's PRs and left comments / reviews. All right. So let's change the stream title back to what we were doing before. Let's see here. That's over here. I almost just got distracted. Okay, done. All right, let's look at that link that we just got sent here. It's so nice that once you know effect, like it's just so easy to read and parse. Like it's the same exact patterns everywhere. It's just like building with Legos. Like this, once you understand what you're looking at, this is just like Legos. I don't know how else to explain it. This is cool. It's so good. Well, like there it is unfamiliar. I would not say learning effect is hard. I would say that it will be familiar for a lot of people, and I can empathize with that, but I think the learning curve is lower than most people think or expect it to be. All right. I don't really remember where we left off yesterday on this. Other than this is like not right. We should not be running this twice. There you go. Yeah, that's probably where we want to be. Okay, and that should be there. We probably need to redeploy this. I'm assuming this would just start. Z job unstart. Yeah, okay. Good morning, JD. So we're gonna have to go and do a fly deploy here. And then we're going to copy front, and we're going to make another app, and it's going to be admin. And then we're going to go to Vercel. Got a rental? Let's go. My dogs are so annoying with barking. Swear to God. I actually don't even know how to use subdomains, and I work on domains. Isn't that funny? I work on the registry part of domains, so... How's the hurt one doing? He is laying passed out at my feet. Thank you for asking, though. I guess we would create another project, right? So let's go back to here, and we would add new project, and we would take project bucket list, and this would be admin. And we want to look at that. Turbo picked this up. That's freaking dope. The IO thing is wild. Yeah, it's gonna be super annoying. I don't want to think about it. Because we don't have the tooling right now to deal with it. I'm working on building the tooling to deal with it, but it is not ready. Let's see here. Update job queue, stream, add admin app, git push. So if we come back now, we should ideally see import, edit, apps, admin. Look at that. Tell me that's not sick. That's freaking sick, chat. and this will be admin. Yeah, the only logical thing to do is form a new country. I think we could crowdsource this, crowdfund it. This is going to be admin. Let's see here. I don't trust opening that file. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna have to configure this to build with bun. Remove, yeah, we'll do that, and we'll do a bun I. Where do I update my build settings? What is our other project on? Okay, that shouldn't be too crazy. So we can come down here, we can turn off that override, save that. And I'm assuming everything else should just work. So let's do another redeployment here. Can I force a deployment or redeploy? Don't use the build cache. We're trying to launch the admin dashboard so we can build. Basically, we have the data in Postgres now, JD, from the Excel sheets that we parse on upload. So if we look at what this ends up looking like. We parse the spreadsheets into this kind of table here where we have a performance metric report. And then we have a series of rows, which is associated with a report. And then we have all the metrics in here that is parsed and dumped into Postgres. And we're going to... You okay, bud? You're okay. Lay back down, Gus. You're okay. I know. I know. You don't feel good and it hurts. Lay down, bud. We're going to load this into a dashboard with visualizations and stuff. Trying to make sure I don't end up with like a hour-long request again. So that's what we're going to be working on there. And did this just fail again? Is this the most recent build? Cannot find module at. Why would this happen for this project but not the other one? It's the same repository. The same code basically. Turbo run build. Maybe we don't do that. Do we have that overridden in? Yeah, we'll have to we'll migrate this to turbo at some point. So we'll turn that off, save, and then we'll go back to our deployments and do another redeploy. And while that's going, I want to go make sure I have some other settings configured. Okay. Oops. Why? Why is it still trying to build with... All right. I have something screwed up with my build tooling. So we're going to put project bucket list, which is the running app right now. Well, this looks like it failed to build too. Let's see what this is upset about. Packages / front does not exist. That's not great. So we got to fix that. Build command, install command, output directory, packages. This is going to be apps / front. So that means, so we might just be borked like across the board here. No, that's not what we want. Be nice if I could undo that. Create deployment. That doesn't seem correct. That doesn't seem correct at all. Okay, that does seem correct. All right, so given that, this should actually point at git production branch. That looks good. Yeah. Okay. Deployments. Create deployment. Main. Create deployment. All good, mixed nuts. All good. Things are going pretty well. We had a productive morning working on some open source. All right, so we're getting the same issue here. All right, we probably have to just lean more into turbo here. I'm guessing that's what my problem is. So let's go up to the root repo here, and in here, yeah, we have turbo. So if we build with turbo in here, and we do, I don't know, bun run turbo or build, we're probably getting the same error. I'm hoping. Now I wonder why that is. I wonder if we can try turbo build here. And it'll just work. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Rui. Okay, so it looks like front worked. So let's go to apps, front. Oh, is that the one we just updated? Or no, that looks right actually. Package, and this will be turbo. Shoo, what is happening? I've got myself in a recursive disaster. I guess I have to read the docs. Do I just get rid of the build command? Is that what and just let turbo do it? I admittedly have no idea how to do this. Recursion. Yeah, so we do still need, like these should still be, I think these should still be V build. But when we run this, let's just do npm run build. Or we can do npx turbo build. It's unsuccessful. The service was stopped, right E pipe. I don't know what that means. All right, let's see if V0 can help us. We need to go to V0/chat. Oh, I am there. Great. Why am I getting this error when using turbo build? All right, we'll try that too. We'll just remove node modules. What up, Vafi? And we'll do a npm cache clean -s force. npm I. Whatever, I don't care. Now let's go into apps admin. We're going to do the same thing. Remove -rf node modules. I guess I don't even have that on here. Okay. And then we're going to go to front and we're going to do the same thing. And then we're going to do an npm cache clean force. And then we're going to do an npm I. And then we're going to go back up to the top, just an extra npm I just in case. And then we're going to try to npx turbo build. There we go. Something was just super screwed up. Frack. Oh, that's a environment variable problem. That's okay. All right, so we got that close to working. So I'm just gonna commit this turbo whip, and it's 10 o'clock. So we are going to wrap up, y'all. Let's find somebody to raid, and we will be back tomorrow morning. And tomorrow morning, hopefully we'll get the admin dashboard underway. Thank you for the follow, Jord. Who do we have going? Prime. Let's raid Prime. Thanks for the follow, Stram. We'll catch y'all tomorrow.